To fill the application form for AFCAT, candidates need to visit the official website of Indian Air Force. After visiting the official website of Indian Air Force candidate login page, candidates need to first register for the exam. To register for the exam, candidates need to enter certain details such as their name, father's name, mother's name, secret question, captcha code, etc. After successful registration, the system generated password will be sent to their registered email address. In the personal details portion of AFCAT application form, certain details such as candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, email address, nationality, mobile number will be auto-filled since candidates had entered it during registration. What details candidates need to fill in this part are candidates' visible identification mark, their CPSS or PABT status, whether they have current valid commercial pilot license issued by DGCA, are they serving airmen of Indian Air Force? They need to select their gender, marital status, enter their date of birth, and confirm their date of birth. Once all details are filled, candidates need to save and continue it. In the next page of AFCAT application form, candidates need to enter their qualification details. They need to select their educational level. They need to enter their graduation details, high secondary details. After entering all these details, candidates should click the save and continue button to move to the next page. After entering the educational qualification details, candidates need to enter their preferences of courses as per their educational qualification. After selecting the course preferences, candidates need to enter their communication details. In the communication details, candidates need to enter their full address, select the union territories or state, select city, pin code, nearest railway station. Candidates need to also enter their Aadhaar card number. Aadhaar card number is optional for candidates belonging to Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Meghalaya. Candidates also need to enter their correspondence address. After entering all these details, candidates should click on the save and continue button. Candidates are also required to upload their scanned photograph, signature and thumb impression. The size of the photograph, signature and thumb impression should be between 10 kb to 50 kb. After uploading the scanned photograph, signature and left thumb impression, candidates need to enter their preferences of exam cities. Candidates can select 5 exam cities for AFCAT exam. After filling all the stages of AFCAT application form successfully, candidates need to preview it and check each and every details carefully because the details once finally submitted cannot be changed. After checking all the details, candidates should clear to the terms and conditions and submit the AFCAT application form. After submitting the AFCAT application form, candidates need to pay the application fee.